Hi, in this short video I'm going to replace an outdoor faucet and shutoff valve. The faucet was leaking and I cut it off with a hacksaw just beyond this shutoff valve. So we have the three parts ready to go: the faucet, the pipe, and the valve. Here's what I've done. I've tried to carefully measure this length here so that what I'm going to do this in stages. First I'm going to put the shutoff valve in, solder that in. Then I'm going to push the pipe out. I can push it all the way out to the outside of the house, and then I'll solder the faucet in. And then after I shut off the water and cut the pipe, I'll slide this back this way till it seats the proper distance into the existing cold water line. Gather parts and materials: lead-free solder, lead-free tinning flux and brush, a deburring tool for inside the pipe, a wire brush for inside the pipe, an emery cloth for outside the pipe, and MAP gas or propane. This one has a push-button igniter. I'll put up a link to a YouTube video from a pro that helped me get good results. So now we're going to stick this up here, stick it through, solder it on the outside. So I made a mark on here so the orientation with the shutoff valve is maintained. Again, I got professional help from YouTube on this part. And now we'll just push it back in after it cools. So we have to cut this off with some precision so that the shutoff, the cold water pipe, fits inside the shutoff valve. So there's the finished solder on that. This one was trickier because we were in kind of cramped quarters. Got it done. So it's a couple years later and we don't have any leaks. Everything's working fine. So before doing this job, I was leery. Plumbing always makes me a little nervous, and I had no experience soldering, but thanks to YouTube, got the job done. Please subscribe.